Sarah Engineering Center Vice President Kenji Honda. On number 2, Sakigaro, U.S. Representative Ms. Susan.
Hopefully, make some money along the way. My job was to sell.
And this is great evidence that we are open to the world for aerospace design and manufacturing, and I'm proud of our state to be able to say that. Our cultures and economies have been intertwined for more than a century, and now we're excited to build with the legacy of the MRJ.
来年春にアメリカで初めて飛ぶ機体がそうです。これちょっとそれは記者会見でね。
MRJ is developed and made with State of Washington. MRJ is developed and made with the United States.
They want to shut the computer off.
Our aim is to make the best use of the resources and the skill sets of aircraft experts and professionals of Seattle.